Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from class 11 IPA 1. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hadi and my friends there are Suci, Melisa, Siska, Ibnu, Ilyas. Today we want to present about how does rain happen.
How does rain happen? We all know that rain is primary source of fresh water for most areas of the world, providing suitable conditions for diverse ecosystems. Rain is water that descends from the sky through several processes until the rain occurs.
Do you know how does rain happen? The phenomenon of rain is actually a water cycle.
The concept of water cycle includes the sun hitting the Earth's water surface and causing the water surface to evaporate. Earth's water includes water from lake, river, and ocean.
Then, the water vapor experience condensation and become condensed vapor. Condensed vapor is formed from droplets so that when the air temperature is higher, it makes the droplets gather, condense, and form into cloud.
The presence of wind helps cloud move and gather in other places that have lower temperatures. At that time, the droplets become heavier and unstoppable and cause the droplets to fall so that there is rain.